Hey kids, it's all new SpongeBob cereal.
Oh boy, my new cereal.
SpongeBob, what's going on around here? I've got cereal all in my yard and it's all your fault.
Did somebody say pizza? Oh.
SpongeBob cereal is full of minerals and nutrients so that you can eat it.
Load me up with that cereal. Have a bowl, Mr. Squidward. Hey, this cereal looks just like SpongeBob and Patrick.
That's right, SpongeBob cereal looks just like SpongeBob and Patrick. Oh, this stuff is really good. Don't give me the cereal!
Now's my chance to get my hands on the Krabby Patty secret formula. I'm just gonna... Ouch.
Yahoo!
My turn!
It's part of a balanced breakfast.
Oh yeah, give me some of that yummy, delicious cereal!
Wakey! It's a SpongeBob Macaroni and cheese!
Oh boy, my macaroni and cheese! Ow!
SpongeBob! Why are you always putting holes in my house? Aren't there already enough holes in your head? Holes in his head. That is the most beautiful piece of macaroni I have ever seen.
Is Squidward kissing himself again? Hey, look, it's a tiny me.
Yep, it comes in 4 friendly shapes. Me, Squidward, Patrick, and Gary. Meow.
Here's how you make it. You boil 6 cups of water, then you add the macaroni. Then, after about 11 to 12 minutes, you just... 11 to 12 minutes? I can't wait that long. I gotta eat it now.
Don't worry, Patrick, I'll save you. Hey, it's like a hot tub.
It just takes a second to get used to it.
Patrick, where did those bubbles come from?
From my butt.
Then you drain the macaroni, add milk, butter, and the cheese powder. Then you mix it all up into one big cheesy, golden, delectable, gooey, creamy, squishy, moist. Ah, just listen to it. Oh.
Oh, it's so good.
They're better than Krabby Patties.
Woo! Yeah, now we're talking. Yeah, keep it coming. Don't stop now. I'll let you know when I'm done, which is never.
How can they eat such uncultured food? Have a bowl, Mr. Squidward. This is delicious.
I'm tired of chewing, but I still want to eat it, so I'm going to make it into a drink. Oh boy, that looks good.
This macaroni and cheese is even more delicious than money. It feels so good to rub this macaroni on my tentacles.
You know what goes great with this macaroni and cheese?
What's that, Patrick?
More macaroni and cheese.
Hey, SpongeBob, what are y'all eating?
You can't have it and get the hell out of here! Get away from me! Get away from me! These guys are going crazy for this stuff. If I start selling it at the chum bucket, then I'll run crabs out of business. Trying to steal me formula, eh? Have a bowl, Mr. Plankton. Ouch.
It's part of a balanced dinner.
the keys. It's a SpongeBob Snag. Today's gonna be a great day.
Gary, it's raining food again. Get the bucket ready.
Who would waste all of this food? If you ask me, Wow! My eyes! My beautiful lumpy eyes!
Oh, hey, Squidward! Those are nice sunglasses. Hey, I got some too! Now I look cool!
Patrick, do you want to taste some fruit?
I'm tasting it with my eyes. Besides, I don't know how to play the flute.
No, Patrick, a fruit. It's like a pineapple. I live in a fruit.
So your house is a musical instrument?
Get the stupid out of your head, boy, and eat some fruit.
SpongeBob fruit snacks are made with
Bone marrow.
so eat real fruit.
Okay. This real fruit is full of vitamins. I feel...
Natural energy! Hey, SpongeBob, can I have an apple?
Here you go, Patrick.
Oh!
Howdy, SpongeBob! I brought you some peanuts to go with that fruit!
Get those nuts out of my face! Have a bowl, Miss Cheeks.
You broke my helmet!
That was some bowl.
I got so many grapes, I got so many grapes.
Hey, Patrick, can I have some of your many grapes?
You got any money?
Yeah, let me go get some. Mr. Krabs! Get your sucky tentacles away from me, fat stash of cold hard cash. Looky here, Mr. Squidward. If you want some money, I'll bet $1 on the big fruit race today. I've never heard of
The big fruit race!
Banana is aerodynamic.
Watermelon is rollable. Corn is tasty!
And they're off. Uh-oh, I think something's wrong with my watermelon. Ouch.
They're side by side! Who's gonna win?
Come on, Patrick, I'm betting on you.
Oh no! My banana is peeling! Ow!
For a second I thought he said peeing.
Then Patrick wins the race. I won the bet. Oh, but I can't open my prize. Let me give her a squeeze, Mr. Squidward. I want to go home now.
Hey kids! It's SpongeBob SquarePants! Did you say everything with my face on it?
If anyone's face should be on everything, it should be mine.
The only thing that should be on everybody's face is extra cheese! Oh wait, I meant sunscreen.
I can't breathe.
Wash the cheese out of your nose, Squidward, and let's get digging! SpongeBob chocolate chip cookie! Put the cookie batter on the tray!
Cook them in the dryer! And your cookies are done!
Patrick, your cookie set my house on fire.
I'll put the fire out with...
SpongeBob yogurt.
Here we go!
Why does everything get all over my shirt? Wipe that frown off your nose, Mr. Squidward! Thank you.
Hang on, I'm getting a call. Gelatin.
What is
Gelatin.
It's pure...
Vitamins and nutrients.
I
Want
wanna eat?
vitamins and nutrients. But it's in the shape of you and your friends. Patrick, SpongeBob, Mr. Krabs, Squidward, and Plankton. Look at me, I'm all jiggly.
You know, if you keep eating that stuff, you'll be jiggly.
Squidward? I don't know what you're talking about. I'm a born-again man.
Ow. My mother always told me I was sweet.
I feel slimy!
I accidentally filled the fish tank full of gelatin.
Ow. Say hello to this bowl of
Gelatin.
Mr. Squidward.
Hello.
SpongeBob SquarePants soup. This soup is full of salt.
Let's make some real soup. How about veggies and...
Unpeeled potatoes. SpongeBob lunchbox.
I like to put squirrel food in my lunchbox. One time I put breakfast in my lunchbox.
My lunchbox is full of SpongeBob golf balls.
A SpongeBob potato chip.
SpongeBob, I'm eating so much junk food with your face on it that I think my tummy's gonna pop. Oh.
I ate really fast and now my tummy hurts.
Chugga chugga chew chew your food, spongy boy. Ouch.
SpongeBob ice cream. Oh my goodness. Help! I'm becoming melt. You know, usually I make puddles, but now I am a puddle. SpongeBob SquarePants rubber band.
Office supplies? Wow, that's exciting. What's next? A staple? I'm glad that's all.
It's bungee jumping Squidward.
Patrick, no!
Step 1 is to jump.
Yeah!
Step 2 is to make sure it's a kick. Oh.
Here, Squidward, take these seats.
I'm sorry for every bad thing I've ever done.
I forgive you, Squidward. Underwear. They fit perfectly. SpatBob Spongula.
This fire won't get any hotter because here comes the water.
SpongeBob SquarePants dental products.
Now here's a good product that's advantageous for your
Check out my shiny mouth rocks.
Patrick, the light is shining off my helmet and onto...
Squidward's house.
Stop setting my house on fire with your teeth.
Sorry, Squidward. SpongeBob Sippy Cup. Fill your sippy cup with boiled cabbage and drink up.
No, thank you.
SpongeBob Drones. This little pigeon is leaving the nest. SpongeBob Luggage Tag. Scribble down your personal information and pack your bags full of boiled cabbage. Now with your name and address on the tag, your luggage can be returned to you if it gets lost. SpongeBob SquarePants deodorant. This ice cream tastes terrible, but it smells so good. SpongeBob SquarePants drawstring bag. What's that I smell? You guessed it, boiled cabbage. Fill your drawstring bag to the top with boiled cabbage and go jogging with it.
My bag is full of loose change and I'm not handing it over.
But Mr. Krabs, you don't need that money to be happy.
You're right, SpongeBob. I can hang out with you guys for free. How about a hug?
Mr.
Arr,
Krabs,
arr, arr, arr,
you
arr,
are
arr, arr.
so slow.
I don't need any of this cursed money.
Yeah, oh boy, money.
SpongeBob SquarePants bicycle. I'm pedaling home to mommy and daddy. SpongeBob SquarePants masks.
Peekaboo, it's me, SpongeBob.
Peekaboo, they didn't have a Patrick mask, so I just used a SpongeBob one.
Hizo SpongeBob burritos y enchiladas. ¿Dónde estás, mis amigos Patrick y Squidward?
Hola, SpongeBob, tu amigo Patrick está aquí, me gusta burritos.
Yo soy Squidward.
SpongeBob SquarePants piñatas.
Wait, hit it. You didn't hit it.
SpongeBob whoopee cushion. It's making a flappy noise. Do you guys think this is supposed to be funny? You're going around making big old messes and little toot noises in my town? Oh, congratulations, Plankton. I didn't know you were the mayor. SpongeBob Gummy Krabby Patty.
Let's give him a taste. Ew.
Have a bowl, Mr. Squidward. Dig a hole, Mr. Squidward. Take a stroll, Mr. Squidward. Your arms are swole, Mr. Squidward. Whack-a-mole, Mr. Squidward. Pay the toll, Mr. Squidward. Score a goal, Mr. Squidward.
Ow.
SpongeBob SquarePants candle. Looks like they got too close to Squidward's house.
Patrick, why are you or the candle version of you always burning down my house? Well, at least now I have nothing.
SpongeBob SquarePants vitamins, SpongeBob SquarePants soap, SpongeBob SquarePants birdseed.
This birdseed doesn't grow birds.
SpongeBob SquarePants furniture polish.
Did you have to spray that on my hotcakes?
SpongeBob SquarePants magnet, SpongeBob SquarePants puzzle, SpongeBob SquarePants credit card bills.
You know, I wouldn't have bought all this stuff if it didn't have pictures of SpongeBob all over it.
SpongeBob SquarePants bedroom, SpongeBob washroom, SpongeBob slippers, SpongeBob mugs, SpongeBob light switch, SpongeBob lamp, SpongeBob TV, SpongeBob games, boombox, car,
Snow
table,
cone,
chair.
I've been selling all these SpongeBob products so that they would give all of their attention, money, and effort to worthless junk. And now I can really lock them in for total mind control with SpongeBob Plus YouTube videos. The last step to get them to completely give themselves to commercialism.
Did you hear that, Patrick?
Make more SpongeBob videos. Type. Huh? I'm free!
I never realized I was a crab!
Now we can live better lives.
Let's go outside and...
Help old ladies cross across the street!
Feed people with my new charity. Give a bowl, Mr. Squidward! I'm going to start wearing clothing.
And I'm not going to be grouchy.
and self-centered.
Yeah.
And unreliable.
Uh-huh.
And lazy!
Okay.
And ignorant.
I think that's it.
And self-righteous.
Oh.
Hey, Squidward, how about you play us some music?
Yeah, with my clarinet.
I'm getting dizzy.
My leg!
Help, I fell out of...
Can you make more SpongeBob videos?
Macaroni on my tentacles.
You know what goes great with this macaroni and cheese?
What's